Good morning, guys. We are on Simplifying Rational Expressions 1D, and I'm going to go down to problems 5 through 8. And again, this assignment is just like the last one, except we have some negatives here. Let's go ahead and tackle number 5. 5 through 8, the method is the same for all of them. So on number 5, looks like the top's already factored for me. So I'm going to keep that 2 times x plus 3. On the bottom, I have a unfactored quadratic trinomial. So I'm going to go ahead and factor that with a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 15. Ooh, that's going to get in my way. Oh, what can be done? I'm going to make my x with a times c at the top, b at the bottom. 1 times negative 15 is negative 15 at the top. B is negative 2 on the bottom. Now, again, if I need to make a negative 15, one of the numbers I'm multiplying by needs to be positive and one needs to be negative. Since the denominator is negative, that means the bigger one needs to be negative, or rather the number with the greater magnitude. And I can see by looking, it's not going to be 1 and 15, it's going to be 3 and 5, and it's going to be specifically a positive 3 and a negative 5. 3 times negative 5 does give me negative 15 on the top. 3 plus negative 5 rather gives me negative 2 on the bottom, which means I'm ready to factor this. I'm actually going to rewrite this a little bit over. I didn't really have room, so what does that should it be? 2 times x plus 3 on the top. On the bottom, I'll have x plus 3 times x minus 5. And then I think it should be pretty obvious. The thing that cancels out is the x plus 3. And what that leaves me with for my answer is a 2 on the top and x minus 5 on the bottom. And again, we don't need that parenthesis anymore because there's nothing being multiplied by the x minus 5. All right, so that's how you're going to do problems 5, 6, 7, and 8.